What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we have a water pump on a Bronco that we're gonna replace. This is a rental company vehicle, and when I inspect the car initially, I saw that the coolant was super low. So then I kinda got underneath and I inspected the water pump, and I kinda seen like green slash blue coolant like right at the water pump, and how the water pump looked. So if you guys look, you can see that the water pump is literally leaking down. Like, go look right there, and then look up by the alternator right there. You can see that stuff, and then look at the water pump. You can see it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the belt off, and I'm gonna take the wheel off, and then start this thing. So I'm probably gonna let you guys hang right here real quick. That's a good catch, guys. That water pump was literally leaking, so it's good that we caught that. Put those stuff right there on the lift arm real quick. Move the wheels. Alright. I'm gonna grab my bungee cord. Just so you don't have to remove it. We got a bunch of 8 mils or 7 mils. You know, Ford is kind of weird and stuff they use. So we have a bunch of like 8 mils right here, and a bunch of clips, etc., etc. So go ahead and put that back. Let's tuck that also in the lift arm. To be honest, that's enough space right there, guys. Look, that's literally enough space. So right there, you can see that the water pump is leaking. Look, you can see it. So that's a good catch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that belt right off, because we have a new belt coming in. I'm gonna go ahead and start the water pump. This one is super easy. Probably take you like 30 minutes and max, and that's it, literally. So let's go ahead and kill it, guys. Probably have to hold the water pump just a slight bit to get it off. I hope you guys could see. Or a T40, let's see. Yep, T40 it is. Got one on top too as well, guys. I got one in the corner over here too. Let's get that pipe out the way. I'll be able to get to these bolts. Let's do that real quick. Let's free that pipe up. I think that's what's holding this back. That pipe, we need to get that out the way. $7 to remove it. Probably gonna need one of those pick tool to work your way around it. Just like that, open the hose up. Fuck. And then you'll be able to remove it. Ah, fuck, I hit my arm really hard. Just tuck it out the way, guys. Damn, that hurt like a bitch. Like a motherfucker, guys. Wow. Shit. 10 mil to remove that one. That's it. Once you remove it, kind of get that pipe out the way, and then you probably will have more room to remove those things. So let's see now if we have more room. I have to crack one more bolt loose, guys. This bottom one right here. I need to get whole new ratchets. My snap-on ratchets, they barely work, bro. Be having to crack them loose first before I... So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts that you have to remove. Then you gotta pry that thing. Once you pry it, a lot of coolant gonna fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and do me a favor. I'm gonna put that thing right there. Grab my pry bar. And I'm gonna pry it open.
Yo.
What up, gang? Pay for it.
I don't know.
You can look at it.
I think they send it across the auction.
Auction?
Yeah, so I'm gonna put the oils, that way you can spin it too.
Yeah, I bet. But you keep saying that, bro. You be going on joyrides, bro.
No, what you mean? I just told you it needs oil. It's the same as it needs oil.
Sure. It was a 10 mil, guys. So look. That's why it wasn't coming loose like that, guys. That's how the water pump is. And it was leaking right through the weep hole, guys. Water pump, guys, and let's go ahead and throw it in same speed. Line it up. Have it down where get all those bolts back in. I thought you hadn't done remote with me. That should probably be my cost for me. Always check for that bolt because I missed it, bro. It's right next to the alternator.
No, especially the Torx.
Yeah. Nah, they T40.
Yeah.
Well, not too bad. So Monday when I get the belt, I'll just throw that shit on and do the rest. Yeah. That's all I have to do. But I'm gonna just tighten them down, change, get out of here, bro. I always double check these shits with the ratchet.
Yeah, I do that every time I do electric.
Yeah. Make sure they tight, bro. Want that bit to be tight. Oh, my engine is done too, bro. I just gotta pick up the immediate plate to finish up.
Oh, the plate right in the center?
Yeah.
Fuck.
That's it. I bought a new one.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. That's it. Oh yeah, well, I'ma change. Get out of here too, buddy.
Yeah, alright, bro.
Alright, yo, I see you, bro. See you, bro. Take care of you too. Thank you. Alright, that's it, guys. Put this little piece back on, guys. To be honest, why not put it on, right? The water pump pulley. Yeah, why not put it on real quick? Take a couple seconds and then end the video. And then Monday, all we gotta do is put the belt on. On the note, everything is back in there, so only thing we waiting on now is just a serpentine belt, and that's it. Everything is back together. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Get you guys in the next one.